So welcome back. In this video we are going to cover why Unity catalog matters. I hope everybody knows about the workspaces. You have already worked on workspaces. If you are a developer, you might have done some computation. You did created a notebook. You created some script and you created some jobs and schedules, cluster, etc. Workspace is where you do all these kind of activities. But how do you manage the workspace? An organization will have multiple workspaces. Maybe a workspace for a department, workspace for another department, workspace for application, one workspace for another application. So the management, how you manage those workspaces. So the Unity catalog comes under the governance layer. Okay. So now let's focus. Before Unity catalog, what was there? Before the Unity catalog, each database workspace managed its own Hive Metastore, permissions, lineage, and audit log. That means every workspace had its own metastore, its own permission management, its own lineage, its own audit log. As organizations grew and number of workspace grew, the governance became fragmented, security policies became inconsistent, auditing became very difficult, and we need a unified model, right? You need a unified governance. That is why Unity Catalog solves these by introducing centralized governance layer that sits across all the workspaces. If the organization has 10 workspaces, there will be a centralized Metastore, a centralized Unity Catalog to solve all of their governance problems. Okay, so with Unity Catalog, the permissions, the lineage, the auditing, the security policies, and the data discovery are managed from a single Metastore. Now we don't have multiple Hive Metastore. All workspace became under a single Metastore. Okay, so the actual data continues to reside in a cloud storage. No change to your data. The organization will maintain their storage in their own cloud storage such as Azure Data Lake, Amazon S3, or Google Cloud Storage, while the Unity Catalog provides a unified governance framework. And as a result, you have stronger security, simplified compliance, complete lineage, and a single point of governance across the entire Databricks platform. I hope you understood what is a Unity catalog. And when I say it is a centralized governance, what was before and what is now? Okay, let's have a close look at this now. Before the Unity catalog, there is siloed governance across multiple spaces. So if you are an organization, if you are a database administrator, you may have to manage each and every workspace as an individual unit. You will have each workspace will have its own Hive Metastore, its own permission model, its own lineage tracking, its own audit logs. So here we have workspace A, workspace B, workspace C. Each of them had its own Hive Metastore, which manages the permissions, lineage, and audit log. Of course, each of them you had the storage. Okay, that has nothing to do with your governance layer. Okay, and why? What was the challenges? The permission managed separately. So I want to be part of all of them. Then go to workspace A, give me access. Go to workspace B, give me access. Go to C, give me access. So it is too much work, right? And also to track my access, again I have to go each workspace and check it. Okay, then what else? The difficulty to govern across multiple workspaces. Okay, so that's another challenge. Then lineage tracking, when the data flows into one workspace, then go to other workspace, then your lineage is not complete. Correct? Because the system, the tracking system attached to each workspace, you won't get what is outside your workspace. And there is auditing problem. So auditor has to go to every workspace and audit. And implementing the security policy, again, that's a challenge. But when it came to a Unity catalog, you will see all the workspaces are managed by a single Unity catalog, a centralized place where you can go a centralized permission, end-to-end lineage, then unified auditing, then you can get consistent security policy, and you can find the data across our spaces from the Unity catalog. And you can do a sharing, data sharing, and you bring your data, bring your own storage, whether it is S3, Azure Data Lake, or anything, whatever you want, you bring, you store your data. And the benefits, like just like the opposite of the challenges, you have a single point of governance. Okay, you have consistent access control, you have complete lineage. The data comes, where it goes, and what is the destination, everything you can track, complete lineage tracking. Then simplified auditing and compliance. And if you want to stronger policy implementation across all the workspaces in the in the organization. Okay, whether it is a development, whether it is a UAT, whether it is production, all the workspaces are managed from a single catalog, Metastore, that is a Unity catalog. So this information is very much valuable to a data analyst, a programmer, engineer, architect, or a governance professional, anybody. This information is very much valuable. That is why Unity catalog matters very much. Okay, I hope you understand overall concept of the Unity catalog. In the next video, we will see more about the Metastore part. Okay, let me know if you have any doubts about the Unity catalog. We will try to help you understand more. Thank you.